Curtis with Gordy's, and today we're going to be showing you how to sync your iPhone with a Bluetooth stereo. We're going to source into the Bluetooth audio section. At this point, I'm going to go on my phone, go to Settings, Bluetooth. You'll now see that it says Now Discoverable. And then go back to your stereo, press and hold the Bluetooth audio button. As I held that, the Bluetooth signal starts blinking, and I now have Sony Automotive popping up on my screen. Click on it, and it attempts to pair. The two are communicating right now. Usually takes between 15 to 45 seconds. It just moved up to connected now on my phone. So now we're all set. The stereo recognized my phone. We're still in Bluetooth audio. Alright, now let's pick some music. Now that we're synced, you have full control from your phone. No matter what your phone is playing, it'll be playing through the stereo. Volume, song control. We've synced a Sony stereo. We're going to try and sync a Rockford Fosgate. Alright, we're going to start by moding into Bluetooth mode. Stereo, auxiliary. Where it says no connection is the Bluetooth mode. At this point, I'm going to go to my phone, Settings, into Bluetooth. And now the RFX 4000 is the Rockford Fosgate stereo. Click on that. It's probably going to ask for a PIN number. And the PIN number is going to be 0000. Click pair. Switched from not connected to connected, and this screen switched to Bluetooth play. Now, should be on my phone. Go to Pandora, and we are all set.